Hi there, how's it going? It's Fawn here again. Today I would like to have a brief little look at the basics of 3D printers. My 3D printer that you see here is made by a company called Zone Star, and I got it from Banggood. It was roughly €250 a few years back. But there are many different types, so roughly get whatever you want. Let's have a look at a few basics. Here is the Pla Filament Reel. It's 1.75mm in diameter. PLA stands for polylactic acid. That gets fed through a stepper motor here, goes through this tube down to the hot end, which is kind of a pointy bit at the bottom, which heats up to I think it's around 180 degrees centigrade, and then you've got a heated bed here which heats up to 55 degrees. I've got a flexible pad on here for easily removing 3D prints when you've finished. And here you've got 4 little adjusters, one on each corner. So let's say that's too high. Let's say this bit's too high. You tighten that. And if it's too low, you go the other way. Now, there are lots of stepper motors. Stepper motors are unlike a normal motor. They are very good at going forwards and backwards in little steps, controlled by your computer. Okay, and you're going to have, here you've got threaded rod, and as that spins, it lifts the whole assembly up. That's your Z-axis. You've got X and Y axes over here. You're going to find lots of pulleys and cogs, toothed wheels. Okay, so that's a basic 3D printer, and here I've got a control where I can put in, if I wish, I can put in my SD card, and then that means I don't need my computer here. But just for today, I want my computer here just to show you a few little things. I did another vid the other day on Repetier Host, and I'm going to just quickly show you a few things here. If we go to manual control, I've already set the bed temperature on, 55 degrees and 190 degrees. But I can now, for example, move the axes a little. If I start clicking on that, watch. And if I, for example, if I click home here, it's going to home all of the axes. Okay, so I just want to go now, object placement. I've got a nut and bolt. This object is not manifold, and you just click repair. Okay, now I made a little nut and bolt calibration print. I forgot to say on my video on SketchUp, you can do nut and bolt receivers, which is fantastic, hexagonal nut and bolt receivers, and I was just experimenting on the size. So anyway, right, look, there's my nut and bolt calibration. We click on slicer, and I'm going to choose, out of the 3, I'm going to choose Cura Engine. We click on that, and it's going to slice it. It's going to take roughly 5 minutes and 33 seconds, and because it's already preheated, I'm just going to click print. And with a little bit of luck, that should start printing, and it'll be, it should also show us as it prints. Let's see, 1 second. So if you're new to 3D printing, I hope this video has been of some use to you, and that you've enjoyed it, perhaps even learned a little, and good luck with your 3D printing. Oh, and just before I go, here is something I made earlier. Here's Benchy, which I mentioned on another video. There's my Benchy, pretty pleased with that. Here's a dragon that I made that nearly worked. The wings were extremely difficult, but there you go, there's a dragon. I made that for myself and the missus. But the amazing thing about 3D printing is you can design your own pieces. Instead of having a metal bracket for a model car I'm working on, I've designed a plastic bracket. There's a 1 centimeter calibration cube. and some kite pieces that I designed and printed out myself. There's the 3D printer printing. So, thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that, and talk to you soon in another video. God bless. Bye.